Hey Jonas, it's Ray. How are you doing? I'm hoping you remember me from the webinar this morning. Hey, I had mentioned about doing screen recordings using QuickTime on the Mac, so I just wanted to give you a quick little video here on how I learned how to do it. It's actually pretty simple. Um, and I'm using a MacBook Pro. I'm not sure exactly what you have, but it's pretty easy. All you do is and this is actually the part of the screen that will float, and you can resize this. I'll show you that. So what you do is you go into Launchpad, and you go into Other, and you just click on QuickTime Player. I'm not going to do it because I already have it up. So once you have QuickTime Player going, you click on File, excuse me, and then do a new movie recording. And when you do that, when you click on that, it'll open up this box. Okay, and so you have this box, and it comes up about this size. And then what you do is you go into View, and you click on Float on Top. So this will be your floating thing that has your face on top of the screen. Click on Float on Top, and then you come down into the box here and up into the corner, and you just resize it, pull it down to whatever size you want, and you can move it wherever you want, throughout the whole recording as well. Okay, so now you got your floating box there, and you go back up to File, and you want to click on New Screen Recording. When you click on New Screen Recording, you'll get this. I did a couple screenshots here. First you'll get this, or I'm sorry, this little black box here, and it'll be, you can see from the page here, this snapshot I did, it's gonna show up probably right about up in here. And when you click the red button to start recording, you'll get this little box that pops up right in the middle. And it says click to record full screen or drag to record part of the screen. End the recording by clicking the stop button in the menu bar. So if you click on, and again, this is just a screenshot here, so it's just a JPEG. But when this box shows up, all you do is click the box, and this thing will go up into your menu bar. That shows you that it's recording. Or instead of clicking here, if you don't want to do the full screen, you can just size this box and only record the part of the screen that you want to record, so that maybe they don't see the URLs or whatever. And then once you do that, once you get the size or whatever, you'll be recording, and you'll have this up here, and you just go about your business, move your screen around, do whatever you do. All that stuff. And as you can see, I'm on the Endgame Facebook page here. And whenever you're done recording, you just click this little button up here. I'm not going to do it right now because it'll actually stop recording. But you click this button, and it will bring your recorded screen into a box with these buttons here, and you can either click on the X to close it, and it'll prompt you to save it, or you can go up to File and save it, and it's going to try and save it. You give it a name, and it's going to try to save it, or it's going to save it as a .mov file, which is the default for QuickTime. And that's okay. You can let it do that. Let it save it as a .mov file. But then once it's saved on your hard drive, you just go to the name of the file and click on it and highlight the MOV, and you can just change it from MOV to MP4, and that will it'll ask you, are you sure you want to do this? And you just say yes, and it'll convert it to an MP4, which is what you can use to throw up on the on your YouTube channel. That should be all you need. If you have any questions, you can let me know. I hope this helps, and I did this because you seemed interested when I brought it up on the webinar this morning. So I hope it helps, and if you have any questions, let me know. Okay? Talk to you later. Have a great day.